Hey guys, what's going on? It's Assassin 2.3 here, and we're playing some more Doom 2. So let's go ahead and get started. That's better. Let me know in the comments if that should be louder or quieter. If it drowns out my voice, it needs to be quieter. But if you can't hear it good enough, it needs to be louder. Is there... Oh, there are people in here. I didn't know that. I have a feeling right now that it's too quiet. But I don't want to mess it up. People everywhere today. But the strange part is there's no monsters or anything. It's just people. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jeez. Some people are just so rude. Missed. Oh, look at that. There's a giant monster fighting a smaller monster. Whoops. Excuse me. Excuse me. Look at that. They just murdered each other. Oh, no, they're not dead yet. Oh, I think they're both seeing me now. Oh, no, never mind. No, excuse me. Fight him. Fight. There's just a big, massive brawl between these monsters. Get away from me. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. You are fighting in the brawl. You must die. Oh, hello. I see him, but I don't want to turn my head for some reason. Oh my goodness, there's too many of these things. Oh good, I finally killed him. Jeez. He left way too many of these freaking things for me to deal with. Die. Apparently these things get one-shotted from the shotgun, so that's good. So just... Oh, I ran out of ammo. Armor. Free armor. Booyah. Oh. Oh. Never mind. I just thought I'd say right off the bat, but I kind of forgot, so I can say it now, that I'm not going to do this on my iPod forever. I am currently saving up money to get an Xbox One, and then once I get that, I'm going to buy a computer, and I'm gonna get a good mic. What the heck is that? I'm gonna stay out of there for a little bit. Shut the door. Okay. So anyways, like I was saying, I'm not gonna be doing this on my iPod phone. Nah, I'm not. Yeah, I think you guys get it. Not going to last forever on this. I'm gonna be getting a. Oh, I'm gonna get. First, I'm gonna get the Xbox One, then a computer, then a mic, and then a actual recording device. How did you get out of your jail? How did you get out of your prison? How did you? Okay, he's dead. Never mind. Not important as long as he's dead. So, yeah, once I do that, it'll be better. And I'll get a face cam eventually too. So, I would do one. I would totally do it. But it just seems like a lot of work to put into the videos on a computer that I do not have. So I really don't have much of a choice there. I did have a computer at one point. I'm not, like, an idiot. But I brought it, it was really slow, and I brought it to a company. They said they'd fix it. They made it crash. So yeah, we never brought anything back to them again. We actually brought 2 computers in, and they both crashed. So, I have a feeling that spider is really, really controls, and I don't like it. What the door it is? It's starting to get kind of creepy. There's so many people in here. This game's actually kind of creepy in this area. Oh, the noise is stopped. Yeah. Where is this freaking spider? I want to know. Oh my god, this scared the crap out of me. I don't want to fight this thing. I really do not. But YOLO! It's so disgusting! Oh, it's dead. That was easy. Hello? What are there? I feel more comfortable with the chain gun out. Excuse me for trying. What's this do? I see something on the ceiling there. Blow. It's blow. Well, YOLO. It was a button. Considerable trapdoor. Stop serving me, stupid bull. This is what I call bullcrap. Huh. What's that? What is that? What is that? Oh. If you guys can't see it, it said you got the Bigfoot. Oh, yes. It actually said that. So what does this thing do? Charges? Oh! Oh my god. It just shot both of my... God dang it. It's not all what I wanted to happen. I thought my guy would have shot one of them, not both of them at the same time. Oh! So much ammo! So kawaii! Excuse me. I thought they trapped me for a minute. Like, what? Hello. Oh, this is the room that I've already been in. Where do I go from here? This way? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh! Oh, this guy better not even following me. Oh, hello. Whoop. That was close. That was close. Can't tell. Oh, there's 4 of them. I only saw 2. There's 6 of them. 5. Excuse me, counting. He's trapped. I'm an idiot. There's another one trapped. Oh, God! Oh! That scared the crap out of me. I know it shouldn't have, but it... Oh my God. Almost gave me a heart attack. Oh, jeez. Ow. Got shot in the face by a monster. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, what's this? This is the stuff I was talking about. Oh, this isn't the stuff. I thought this was the stuff. Can't see me. Sucker, 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 sucker. Sucker, sucker. How does he see me right now? Really? Really? Boom. Nope, missed. Boom. Ow. I'm invisible, you idiots. Die. How is this even possible? I'm freaking invisible and they still see me. Does anybody else get this? Do you like under... Oh! Stuff. How do I get up there? Nailed it. Forgot that I can sprint. Ooh, rockets. Great. It's exactly what I need. What is this? How can I